These are the EVERGOODS Civic Travel Bags 20 liters and 26 liters. And to be honest, I have really mixed feelings about them. Let's put them to the test in detail. The specs on the EVERGOODS backpacks are really impressive. Both can be used as a personal item on many airlines. And something I really like is the aluminum side stay. It's almost like a hidden spine that keeps the bag firm and upright. And to show what the Civic backpacks can hold, I'll be packing each with the same set of items, enough for about 1 week trip. I'll start by checking the laptop compartments. Inside there's a plastic panel that likely adds a structure and helps protect the laptop. This pocket is impressively roomy. As you can see, it fits my 16-inch laptop along with my 11-inch tablet, no problem at all. In the 20-liter model, the laptop compartment has the same construction as the 26-liter version, just scaled down slightly. Even so, it still fits a 16-inch laptop perfectly. Now it's time to pack the main compartment and the rest of the pockets. We'll start with the 26-liter version. An interesting detail is that the interior also includes straps that serve as attachment point, plus a handy pocket big enough for a tablet or a reader or even a book. And then it comes to clothes. I always use packing cubes. So as you can see, I managed to pack a ton of things here. Even my camera and everything fits perfectly. Plus, it's all TCA friendly. Once the main compartment is packed, let's check out this smaller back pocket. Honestly, I found it super handy for sunglasses, even if they are in a big case. On the outside there's another small pocket, perfect for quick access items. And we're not done yet. One of the most useful features is this side pocket. It has internal organization, which makes it super handy while traveling. It's the perfect spot for documents or even a power bank because you can access them instantly. Next, let's check out the side bottle pockets. I'm testing them with their 32-ounce water bottle and my travel umbrella, and they fit really well. The pockets are easy to use and keep everything in place. And now we'll move to the 20-liter version. I'll be packing it with the same set of items as I did with the 26-liter version. One key difference with the 20-liter version is that it doesn't have the attachment points in the main compartment what you get in the 26-liter. Alright guys, the big moment. Let's see if the 20 liters can handle the exact same load we packed into with 26 liters. And guess what? It's actually worked. Everything fit. Key detail: Civic backpacks have lockable zippers. Just add a travel lock. Now for one of my signature tests, checking water resistance. The water is soaked in quite fast and the inside walls become damp. To be honest, I was expecting more. I'd rate it around 6 out of 10, and I definitely wouldn't want to be caught in heavy rain with the Civic bags for more than 15 minutes. Here's the try-on time, and a big issue appears when you're wearing short sleeves. I'll break it all down at the end of the video, so don't miss it. Both backpacks also have these top adjustable straps. Honestly, they don't do a lot in terms of holding the bag tight, but still they are included. I have to say, both the 20 liters and 26 liters are really comfortable to wear. If I'm just walking without being down a lot, it's almost likely we're not even there. And here's something every traveler will appreciate: both backpacks have a trolley sleeve. When it comes to the pros of the Civic backpacks, the first thing that stands out is the excellent organization. The side pocket is another big plus, giving you quick access to essentials. And I'll say it again, these are really comfortable to wear thanks to the straps and the way they sit on your bag. And moving on to the cons, and let's start small. If you got a big water bottle in the side pocket, it's make the handles less convenient to grab, like when you are trying to put the bag up on the overhead shelf on a plane. And here's my biggest problem with these backpacks. You might have already seen it. The strap construction actually stretches against your arms when you put the bag on, and it's super uncomfortable. Honestly, it feels like a real design flaw. So, what do you think about all this? Which backpack would you prefer? And do you think it's worth the price? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.